Since ancient times, the stars have drawn attention of people. Time is moving forward very fast. Yesterday, people gazed dreamily into the space, and nowadays they fly spacecrafts there. It's happened due to the scientific and technical achievements which space engineering puts into reality. Creation of space and rocket technologies is a fiddly job of skilled specialists who have huge experience and thorough knowledge of manufacturing process. Therefore, the number of enterprises which manufacture launch vehicles is limited, and all of them are different from each other. One of such enterprises is Ukrainian ЮЖМАШ. The enterprise comes a long way and got a unique experience thereby. It takes worthy place among the leaders of space industry companies. Since the time when ЮЖМАШ was created, there were created 4 generations of missile systems, about 400 spacecrafts of 70 different modifications, launch vehicles of Cyclone and Zenit families. ЮЖМАШ is a full production cycle company. It occupies a large territory. The main direction of ЮЖМАШ's activities is production of launch vehicles intended for launch of spacecrafts into the different Earth orbits. The enterprise provides the whole complex of production and launch services for space-related hardware. Main advantages: many years' experience, unique technologies, highly skilled specialists, quality of products, ecological compatibility of launch vehicles. When working on difficult tasks, ЮЖМАШ always keeps the high quality and responsibility standards. The slogan of the company is Space-Proven Quality. ЮЖМАШ has its own unique production facilities for the manufacturing and assembly of the main parts. One of the important processes in manufacturing of space rocket manufacturing is metal machining. A huge modern equipment fleet enables to manufacture parts of high complexity. The enterprise involves 5-axis machining of geometrically complex parts. Procedures are carried out with precise accuracy according to established program based on mathematical model of parts. Experience of enterprise and its equipment allow to work with high strength and high alloyed steels as well as with different titanium grades. Equipment of enterprise enables to use all types of heat treatment for different alloys, including titanic ones. ЮЖМАШ uses forging and stamping technologies for the manufacturing of complicated assemblies. Different materials, including heat-resistant and high-temperature ones, are subject to stamping and forging procedures. Rocket space technologies require welding with uncompromising quality. For doing so, the enterprise uses all known types of welding and methods of non-destructive tests. ЮЖМАШ uses technology of beam welding for aluminum alloy structures of non-standard sizes. The strength of weld does not concede to the strength of base metal. To confirm the reliability of products, the enterprise provides a full range of tests for manufactured assemblies, units, and launch vehicles at Manufacturing and Test Complex for rocket engines and spacecrafts enables to develop and to prove designs and to ensure the batch production of new Ukrainian engines, as well as to provide these services to international customers. Equipment of test benches and its supporting systems enables to carry out firing tests for wide range of solid and liquid fuel rocket engines which operate on low boiling and high boiling propellant components. The enterprise constantly works on the modernization of liquid fuel rocket engines. New technologies and materials are being studied and implemented into the production process. Qualitative indicators and permissible rates are thoroughly observed at all phases of launch vehicles manufacturing. The products that are manufactured meet all requirements of ISO, the International Organization for Standardization. The enterprise uses quality management and control system that meets requirements of ISO international standards. Reliability of ЮЖМАШ's products is proven by dozens of successful launches of launch vehicles and by confidence of partners in the biggest international projects. ЮЖМАШ is an active participant at the international market of rocket space technologies and interested in expansion of cooperation with participants of space and other programs. The enterprise has business relations with 23 countries and is continually searching for new business opportunities. Since 1997, ЮЖМАШ, together with its partners, has started to participate in the Sea Launch International program. The key element of the project is Zenit 3SL launch vehicle. This is the only launch vehicle in the world that lifts off from the sea platform located in the waters of Pacific Ocean. Zenit launch vehicle has not only outstanding operational characteristics, but it is environmentally friendly launcher. All stages of the launch vehicle use non-toxic propellants. In 2007, Sea Launch Project started its further development. The goal was to launch Zenit launch vehicles from land-based launch site. The project was called Land Launch. Launch vehicles lift off from Baikonur Spaceport. Since 2004, ЮЖМАШ has manufactured RD-843 main engine for the fourth stage of Vega, European Lightweight Launch Vehicle. Since 2008, the enterprise has started the batch manufacturing of the Stage 1 core structures for Antares launch vehicles. This launch vehicle supports an important mission of NASA to deliver a Cygnus spacecraft with cargo into the International Space Station. Future of mankind is in the further conquest of outer space. For this purpose, reliable and modern rocket and space technologies are required. Thus, this direction of activity is the basic competence of ЮЖМАШ.